Hakasingi ke bahan rio ke jing Shah Thngan chairman ke Green Tech Foundation Madan Malki bandawa na ke Khuborjylla ban weng bat pensange no eka project ha ulum pongdeng magistrate menta kasingi khatsau tarik yayong ulawan jingo syakani ke Jaka Shah Thngan bat betha ekinong elam bat ki dekhot ke GTF ban sange no yakani ke jing Shah Thngan katba ya chairman magistrate ulaong ban yalam no Shah hospital ban examine bat pej benya eka kot ke khia chung na kani ke jing Shah Thngan kabalan ne la bun singi mentah Reina kaliang chairman ula kernga ya kata kajing terwa banyak lamno ya usha hospital ula jubab dah kebaong ngandom ki na kani ka Jaka tak hadu baka sorkar kan wengno ya ka project na lumpong deng hakani ka singi la sakhi ya kajing tu jeng kipat ba ban wan jingo ban ai jing kershan mensim ya kani kajing ya khun jeng chairman ka GTF persha ya kajing thumu jeng ka sorkar ban ai wai no ya lumpong deng ban shna resort bat spa haka company tata Nongsngewlem ya chairman hakani ka sngi la kularu ban kershan yakani ka jingya le jeng ka GTF persha ya ka jing thumu jeng ka sorkar Meghalaya haka jan mit uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA North Shillong ulawan ban ai mensim bat kershan ya ka jingya khun jeng ka GTF
It's not compromise anything.
Send this message to government. Give us a weekend that they will stop the project and then I will go advance. Right now,
Yeah, why don't you have the medicine for this? We're not forcing you to read, we're not forcing you to read. There are some medicine that you need. I have taken the message. I'm sure media has come and given me the history. But the only reason, the main reason that I'm here is just right. I'm sure it's trying to not come into it after that because we have to make sure that it's going to start out. But you see, we are not taking a risk. It is like, please understand that. We're not taking a risk. Okay, I am not coming from tourism department or from anything else. This is just about condition. This thing long term can have ramifications on the body also. I think doctor here.
That's what we stand for. This is about long term of our generation.
Everybody has to take liability of it. It is the
Can you
government.
stick to the immediate interim topics first?
tell them to go away. I will not take any relation. I will not take anything until and unless the government give us everything that they.
Can you at least take some of the medicines that they are requesting you?
No.
But that will not be breaking your fast.
No. From day one,
That will not compromise anything that you are doing. But
No.
It's for a future generation.
yeah,
But then see, at least the government hear us.
you have protested peacefully for days. Aside from us, also nation bilang doang macam dah macam tu macam guys kamu tak. Government to my immediate superior. I will
Makna si Chief Minister, si Deputy Chief
Sabah
Minister,
hanging, eh.
condition. Kena kasi banong, continue si kena sakti.
Indeed, you've come here for his life, for his safety. I understand that, but who's going to take liability of that if it's not the government? So we just ask you and urge you. You've come here from the district administration. We respect that. But can you carry forward that message from our end also that we're not going to back down unless and until the government at least come to a solution. We're not here also to strictly oppose. Come to a solution. We're looking for constructive solutions here.
The only solution is to stick to our demands. That's it. We'll call it off.
Just call upon the job. Just that. Nothing else. We're not asking for the entire 66 acres to be scrapped off also. 36 acres of the island, that's it. Nothing from there and from the government's end also. Make an attempt.
If they are serious enough, if they're serious about this life, serious about the subject matter, then
We will now wait for the
we will take
hospital doctor.
Shah, minta what else?
เลี้ยงจันเตียมั้งไปคำตำงาประทันวันนดุนิตายนาบอร์ดาร์นักขันดุลิมุกรอคำติเตอร์บอร์ดาร์บลงวันก็ได้ลังวกินิกิมันเบย์กวันนิกิชนงวเพร์แต่กันนี่กวีนับปลากันนี่กวีวันมาทางรันจังว่ายาสายจวยแต่หากนี่ก็สกีหาดินวันเดียวอีขบอร์กิบร์ตายากระจิงฉะทั้งนั้นกระจิงฉะจิงอิดยงวีนกิดุขดยงกับคริเทคฟาวเดชั่นเฮียโตว่ายฉะยาเกอร์ยากเบรมเอายากเบย์มาเรียงหากว่ากันนี่ก็สอร์การ MDA2 เดมุดก็เลยวันระยากิตกิโปรเจกต์ว่าชนะยากิตกิโฮเทลว่าชนะยากิตกิข้าวเข้มโดเข้มพัดกัมเตอร์แต่นักเลี้ยงก็ยงอีฮีดับนักจิงสเงียวเขียแต่งาจุประคัดว่าเสมนKhubojylla kami, ublai le ye usilepte, uachna uyobru. Nebha ile, ublai hadinu depchna ya keperthai kemariang bro. Depchna uyobru nebenta ke purpose nega jingtemu. Wa ubru umano kau unong sumar unong sukher ya kemariang. Kepenban man hawayu kai kini kijingjia. Kijing temu yang besarkar mo, te you penban kamwa upenjut ika ya ke perthai ya ke meriang hei tawa usumaru pendek pensai kan. Te nak ketika daw man i dapi de kijing sengau kia. Te ha kijing Khubor le man ledapai ya ke jela Meghalaya yang i ke jela ke ukian. Te dap de kijing ma. Ki thau ki wa em cha bordar. Ha. Dang wan tur dang wan tia dang wan kentur kita iki witawan kijai bro. Naliang bordar, naliang Bangla, kentur Bangladeshi, naliang Assam, kentur Assamese, kentur Karbi kam ter. Ha? Nacha central wan ke sorkar dang EY kita gimander. De even kitiri kitre muluk ini, hewan chong sai. De nei bahai te bu jingma. De nagaliang yung ihi kamut kentui ya kipai yang chong chnong. Yung kari kasi jantia. Wa ukerchan purai, ukerchan telai, ya kan ini jinggi, ya ka Krimtek Foundation, wahaga wa dawa, ya ka sorkar, wa cancel, no, lani wa withdraw no ko mardor, ya ka take project kawa ka damut ka wa chna haiti. Te kamu yu ka te the tip iwa landrusmi, ka jing cha Thngan kini gidukot. Kam tahu chairman yang di Krimtek Foundation, mo dalai luti ka. Tang wa hadu kat nil kamut kar kami jing tip yo ilang ba ya kelam itu wa nakalian mo sorkar MUE ko kayi ketika jubab kawa ka jing mut ko pensange ya kani ga jing temu ko yang ka ya kani project kat kamwa dadawa pai ba yang kari ke sijantia ya bro hobi yu kamwa silat bahaga ni ba hai ni tip chei lada kani ke project hap ki ka withdraw ka jing du ko kroi kat tu ka dingut ke minister ki involve hakani ka kam Nei te daw yu ke sorkar pen dot nut bahago pen bahago triang na yo desa kamut kani ke jing temu yang kam hoi deu man ko ka flop dan em hoi deu man ko ka wa ka wo pep na ketika daw pen ko te nagaliang yung ihi man hakani ko por lengba kani ka kerwo lengba kani ka perta ka Khubor ko ai leo pha ke sorkar pen ken mole ya ki ministers pen ken mole ya ka sorkar te ngahai ni por khajak uklam made khasi mo em ko wi kentin ko ong Haba ya udeng ko bakadu on pong nok. Haba ya ka dokha ka bakadu on penyap nok. Haba ya ka wa ka bakadu on pen kelabi nok. Haba ya ka er ka bakadu on pen kelabi nok. Ken mau ko minister, ko chief minister. Hang ta pin sa ngau thu ba ka pisa kam don kam ye. Te de kan ni ka daw ba ni ketu ya ka sorkar sngap nok bardor ya ka jing dawa jong paj ba babun balang jong ko bri hun yo tre ba ko ba cancel no ia kan ni project dalele ru kemut nyimla ban ye pen ya kata karoi kapar par kata nyimla ban ye pen mo ya kata ke jingraha na ka benta ban rakyat kita ki development lani kita ki gran kiskin di bak pen bejo paj ba na ka benta ke jing jot lani kata ke jing ma ka balak ban ap ye kari ke jai ban riu jeng
Jangan mo.
ini flag